Natural therapies in the complementary management of Parkinson's disease. Hi, I'm Dr. James Machino. With Parkinson's disease, it's a progressive degeneration of a part of the brain called the substantia nigra. And it's that part of the brain that makes a chemical or a neurotransmitter known as dopamine. And in Parkinson's disease, dopamine levels drop off. Now, dopamine normally helps to control normal body movement patterns. So when dopamine drops off, you start to have abnormal movement patterns and loss of muscle control. So the classic symptoms are a tremor. The person has a tremor, but the tremor is usually known as a resting tremor. That means you have the tremor at rest, but if you go to actually do something, then the tremor disappears, and often it disappears when the person's sleeping. You also will see muscles start to become more stiff and more rigid. Movement patterns become slower. In more advanced cases, there's a stoop posture, sort of a fixed facial expression, speech problems, difficulty walking, and then eventually mental decline, a common feature in advanced cases. So the management of Parkinson's disease is to try to get more dopamine back into the brain, and there are drugs that help to do that. But there are also diet and exercise and supplementation practices that have been shown to be very effective to help manage Parkinson's disease cases beyond what drugs alone can do. So here's the top 10 list that Parkinson's patients should follow. Number 1, eat most of your protein at night. Number 2, a lower animal fat diet with the exception of fish. Number 3, eat fava beans. Fava beans contain a lot of L-dopa, and L-dopa gets into the brain and can become more dopamine for you. 5 to 7 fruit and vegetable servings a day will get you more antioxidants to stop some of the free radical damage to the brain cells, which also occurs in Parkinson's. Number 5, 30 minutes of endurance exercise a day helps to maintain muscle control and muscle tone and stop some of that rigidity from setting in and just have better body movements overall. That's been proven to be really effective. And CoQ10 supplementation. Dosages as high as 600 to 1200 milligrams a day have been shown to be very important in slowing the progression of the disease and sometimes helping to stabilize it very significantly. Number 7, a high-potency multivitamin that has 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C, 400 IUs of vitamin E, also a B50 complex in there. Why? To quench free radicals and help the brain make more neurotransmitters. Number 8, the supplement of phosphatidylserine has helped some Parkinson's disease patients. Taking also as the 9th strategy, a supplement of essential fatty acids with fish, flaxseed, and borage seed oil to help improve brain function, improving nerve cell communication, and helping to improve the fluidity of the nerve cell membrane so it's better preserved and the nerve cells function better. And the last strategy is I would add a little extra vitamin E. Even if you're taking a high-potency multivitamin that has 400 IUs of vitamin E, additional vitamin E has been shown to be helpful in Parkinson's cases to slow down the progression of the disease. I would take up to 1,600 milligrams a day of vitamin E in total from supplementation. So click on the link below and read my review article on this. It's called Natural Therapies in the Complementary Management of Parkinson's Disease. I included all the scientific references so you'll know you're getting only evidence-based information from me on this very important topic. Now at machinohealth.com you'll see my other research review papers, footage from my live professional seminars, other videos and downloads and resources I've created. They're all there to help you lead a long, healthy, functional life. All of my research review papers and teaching materials are complete with all the scientific references, so you'll know you're getting only evidence-based information from me on any health topic that you're looking for. So you should make machinohealth.com an ongoing, reliable resource of health and wellness information for both you and your family. Thanks so much for watching.